Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to manage elements on Wix.com. Guys, as you can see, this is my website, and in this website there are so many sections you can see here, and in these all sections there are multiple elements, and if you want to move any of element in this website, then how will you do? Like this element, I want this gray background back into my this header picture. Then how will I do? Simply I will go to the tools, and here there are some of suggestions. I will mark up this toolbar box and click anywhere. Then here you will see arrange. Once you will click on this option, then you will see there are four of options for moving this element. So select your right one. Like I want to move it back to my picture. Now my this picture is arranged forward onto my this background. So guys, same as I've done, you can also move your elements by using these amazing features in Wix.com. So now I'm going to undo it. As you can see, my element over my picture. So this is how to arrange elements on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.